Wake up. Environmental noise is draining your signal. Some people are not lazy. Some people are not inconsistent. Some people are simply just trying to build inside environments that constantly interrupt the signal. There's too many tabs open, too many unfinished systems, too many voices telling you what path to take, too many open loops competing for your attention, and eventually the nervous system stops distinguishing between important and urgent. That's when the signal gets distorted. Not because the vision disappeared, but because the environment became too noisy to sustain it. The goal is not to become superhuman, because when you're aligned, you already are. The goal is to reduce interference long enough for the signal to stabilize again. One path, one next step, one concentrated direction. Protect the signal.